This look right here was created for members only video. I do have a membership. It is $2.99. If you want to join, feel free. The link is in the description. I do one video a month for my members. I appreciate you all very much. Now, with this look, I just don't want to just leave it like that because I'm getting ready to go do something. But I want to just add some more stuff to it so you can see how to change one look to the next with just eyeliners. I will start with the black. I have this teeny weeny mirror here. I don't know how dangerous that can be, but I will attempt to use it. This mirror is a 5 times magnifying. I like the 10 and up. I'll get closer. Don't be shy. Whatever don't come out good, we just leave it, okay? Both eyes are different, so the lines are going to look different. And again, I am in a smaller mirror, so just know that. And then the lines will look different because I have wrinkles. You know what I mean? I am in my wrinkle era. Is that what you want to call it? I don't know. Now I have another liner. It is a multi-chrome, so I'm gonna go right here. Hopefully you can see. I will only see what you can see during editing because I gotta pay attention to this. It is a multi-chrome, so I hope you can see it. It is so pretty. I'm gonna go up here. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. I hope you can. With the white, I am going to go right into my wrinkle. I have a wrinkle right here, and I have a wrinkle right here. I'm using my wrinkles to create something. Taking opportunity with my wrinkles. This one need to go higher up like this. Yeah. Okay. Now I gotta do this one. Whenever you fix one, you gotta fix the other. See, it's coming up messy because that's just the nature of me can't see here. And the wrinkles do its own thing. You know what I mean? The wrinkles definitely does its own thing. And sometimes I go flat like this and then create a bigger problem. So one eye is different. So I'm always measuring, you know. But they don't have to be the same. Just be creative in your style. Right? Be creative in your style. I just want to change this look to make it look different. I'm going to take the white and I'm going to go right here. And you see what I just did? I'm going again right here. And I will bring the black down a little. But I need a little bit more of this dual chrome liner. It is so pretty. I hope it's showing. I'm in a small mirror. So God have mercy. God have mercy with us. But don't be afraid to be creative. Be creative. With this wrinkle, there will be zero straight line, but I want you to see what it looks like. I'm going to take the black and I'm going right here. And right here. Oh, this one come out perfect. Isn't that something? But this is what I want to do with the eyes, as you can see. I'm going to contour my cheekbones, bronze my forehead. I have my Morphe. It's in D8. It has bronzer, blush, highlighter, contour. I'm going to go into the deepest one. And I'm going to take the side of the brush. And I'm going to... My gray hairs are always in my stuff. I know they are not behaving all the time. They just love to be in stuff. And then I just mesh it into the blush I already have on, which is an orange blush from Juvia's Place. I am going back into the blush from Juvia's Place. It is in volume 2. This is what it looks like. I'm going into this one, which is the orange. And I'm just going to put it on the edge of that bronzer. Well, the contour, the edge of the contour. That's what it is. And I'm just going to fix all of this. Now I'm going to go back into the palette. I use this color for my cheekbone. I'm going to use this color for my bronzer. And I'm going to go on the side again. And then just work it with everything I already have on that brush. Nothing extra. Everything that's already on the brush, now we're making everything one. And that's it. You see the difference? Now my face is not just plain. Now I want to carve everything, so I'm showing you what I do. I go right here with powder. And the middle here. And my forehead. And then down my nose. I let it sit for a little while. And then when I come back, I'll be ready. Today's I am an encouraging motivational word is: whenever I am ready to release and let go, the universe will help me. Whenever I am ready to release and let go, the universe will help me. The universe will also help you whenever you are ready to release and let go of whatever it is. The universe will show up and be there to help you. Thank you for always watching my videos. This is the liner eye look. I appreciate you always. Hype this video, share it with someone, and as always, until I see you and you see me. Release and let go often. Release and let go often. When you do that, you create space for peace and quiet and love and joy and happiness. So release and let go often. See you shortly. Bye.